Good afternoon.
Is a golden. The way here I had on account of is a queen golden. Gave we hunyere they go dara bolo dara through. The she hunga of ma. The she hunga of my face camera now. The she hunga of my face camera here. No bune where I had no where the swat no ye. Gave quite unketa mena abortion of Bianca. The quick we who you quarry hunketa mena weproma Banga. Is a guy queen golden. While you look at a couple
White material.
Tikoye Quashoko Merela Nampo. Nama Wonye Quashoko Bruno, one book or where. Pranga bears a guy queen golden. One bingo.
White material. Following exhibition.
If you are not ready to do this after you go down here. It's like a bag of which wife material get into Aquapoma Nelu. Go to Tiad no Kunyabara Jack. Pranga bears some wife material. Ibri Bonuga, on our Shabamaga Capanta got in wine. Pranga one sell wife material. I'll come and how I'm going to get to Ganiru.
Gawaniru, sir.
The way for now, I told that I'll bring you down here. The way for now, I'll give you a lot of Gelazo. The way for now, Hoffman. Let alone yours, I got Queen Goody. You can't get our prong. Lazo, one bingo, Lazo. Mr. Lazo, when you're look at. Oh, didn't they were a creta, Casere? Yeah, what I quit, she got. If you do that nonsense, you have able to go, you can make that kind of treaty. Okwako Bamagono, you told you could draw lampo, double one boy. Pranga Zaga Queen Goody. You could have hands Zaga wife material. Zaga wife material. You bomb neck and then grab boy. Tornazoge. Otele Rosana. Bia Lanya. The wine I was up on Chineka Bago, Cotiro Yeregos and Imaya. Look at it. Oh, Yeregos, also Cameroon Pepe. Look at the Motelego, is a queen golden. Abiangate, white material. White material. The wine I was up if you don't put Togi here, what I am. Look at when this space is not in a tuto. Capra Kelega, Zaga queen golden, Chineka Abagoko. Otele Rosana. Yeah, what the bagger? You think I'm joking with you here, ba? You think I'm joking with you, ba? I'll bring you back here. I'll bring you back here. Don't play with me here. Don't ever try it. Don't joke with me here. I'm not. I'm not. If you think here is a place for joke, you get out from this place.
Sorry, sir.
And they go to the game and get back. Shikra Benza. Zaga with wife material.
Sorry, sir.
Na mama, but I'm gonna pool. Look at all you can know now. So you want
Sorry, sir.
How woman?
Oh, one.
Don't you get pra Konyoko Dobrule? Everybody won't get good. No, you can't guess again.
Susan.
You put that in the Irishi.
Good evening, sir.
You put that in the Irishi.
Now what's the
What's
problem?
you here now?
What is that? What's the meaning?
You remove it. You don't understand Igbo. Bishop on there an Igbo.
Who is this? What happened?
He's speaking Igbo for you. He said you should remove your bonnet.
KKD. Okay, I've removed the bonnet.
Hey, Jesus.
Wait, what happened?
Please, can you please get out from there? Let me interview this your sister, please.
So why you coming here?
Sorry, go. He said interviewing me. Sorry, sir.
They say go bring you down, Nana.
Okay, for no medic, Egra. We only saw one nigga. Okay, my saw boy, Egra. I've been at TikTok as a queen golden. Wife matter. Okay, my saw boy has hair, Egra. They be a web to Akali Shigi. Why you? I said, keep fire to what Akali Shigi. fake life Igbo gị nwanne gị na-anụghị ahụ Igbo na-anụ Igbo enụghị Igbo asụghị Igbo nwanne gị anụghị ahụ Igbo ejighị ka onye Awụsa wetuo phone ahụ stand up from there.
Tell us now I did Abuja.
Otro na Abuja, Bishop. Otro na Abuja.
Ediafole.
I'm 24, sir.
You did 24. You got to school.
Yes, sir.
Then a cake grow.
I'm catering, sir. I'm catering school for 2 years.
Yeah, he was
vocational school.
Or university or we got catering school.
Open university, sir. All skill acquisition.
Then the got school. Guess him yes. Every man on skill acquisition. And let him get here school.
All 2 years course now.
2 years course.
School.
You don't want a professor.
Yes, sir, sure. I'm with your lecturers.
You don't want my HOD.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, but here make back up and you have got to get the room and interview.
The bandido, sir.
Uno Jolena family uno.
ID4.
Ijomo ole.
Enwe Nkenji.
Ilupoleti.
No, sir.
Police or prolam pagembo.
No, sir. No, sir.
Nago wonyara.
No, sir.
Mago wonyara.
No, sir. No, sir.
And when we brule mpagilu na compound number.
Mba. Mba.
And when we brule magilu na yadu no gembo.
Mba. Mama adi achoku.
And when we brule magilu get some magadi achoku.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Arobala gembo.
Okobeli follow. This year Bochala Mala.
Arobala gembo. Yes or no?
No, sir. No.
What means so you only elemental problem? Broke go log with treaty tegi. Broke liar. Guam the truth. I'm not joking here. If you are Ibianga big way, we may be told you.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Egala no lo nwoke mbuge yiri boss asị ama oneke alama.
Yes, sir.
Onye ohi boss asị nke hologram.
Jesus.
Elehe kpọga Jesus no hi izue. Elehe kpọga Jesus no them you nwa bingo nwụrụ anwụ. Elehe kpọga Jesus no hi izue. Ega no lo nwoke gị tin na ga boss. Elehe dati boss asị na neke ala.
Ezuru bossas ma ezuru polo ya bishop ebo na moshi bossas ma bo moshi polo mo bo oshi sweater oshi hoodie biko ezuru bossas
then let hit
the can share
ba ihe m dege ihe owo onye ohi ka m dere gị aga iga do lo
onye oshi bossas
them you dranga be ku pra the ko dia hands aga queen golden white material while obara ohi dege n'ime
bishop akwaga alone bishop
Pranga saga queen golden each onye na-ere oso nkere Pranga bịa saga queen golden kpa hụ nketa wefrola nwa mbụ line after this life thing ga change aha Chineke agba gị ọkụ
mba o
you think I'm joking here? Don't play with me here, I'll bring you down. If you come here to play with me, I'll bring you down here. In a para.
No, sir.
Te para kele ge here. Oye ke fu strana nga ga fege wonye. Ahụrụ m na ara dị na family this girl. Ahụrụ m na ara dị unu n'ime. So mmadụ ga-agbara ọtọ fụta na family unu just agafe na screen here.
Bishop, nwanne m, Bishop, nwanne m, biko ewere iwe. Ka ịma na anyị bụ ụmụ nwaanyị.
Ara dị na family unu.
Mba, oyikwa akwa, oyi half court, oyi ya half court, ewere iwe. Ọma na mmemme live.
Fụta aka cross ọhịa Chineke agbara ọkụ.
Jee yiri akwa Chineke agbago ọkụ.
Ọ dị ka Chineke agbago ọkụ the highway.
God forbid. Mba, Bishop, ọ dịrọ n'ọbala biko. Anọ m live, ọ na-eme m interview. Ewere iwe, sir. Sorry, sir.
Imele nwaanyị na nwaanyị mbụ.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Ị nwere ihe ụmụ nwaanyị na-eji ahụ n'Otele?
Mba kwa o, mba.
Ụmụ nwoke ole tara ala gị?
Abụọ.
Aha ha.
Emmanuel. Oh, Jesus. Nebuka. Oh.
What ele ihe butere hewu Jesus na Emmanuel na Ebuka?
Atala m afụ, Bishop.
Ha?
Bishop atala m afụ. Atala m afụ. Emmanuel eme ihe, Bishop. Mgbaghara Emmanuel, Bishop, ka mbe ndị ya. Mgbaghara Emmanuel ka mbe ndị ya, Bishop. Nya dịba. Oh, Jesus. Bishop gaba n'iru, achọrọ m ibe akwa. Achọrọ m ibe akwa. Oh.
Ngokwo gị bedrele ebe ndị right from childhood. Ịgbaghara which Emmanuel ebe ndị ya. Ịpaka ele ga-agagharịga the whole of the area ibi gị bịa nga akpaga m ịgbaghara ịma na ebe ndị ya. Onye akwụkwọ. Tiyi kwara ahụ nkịta wefụrụla nwa before ịbịara nga bịa kwuo Emmanuel ebe ndị ya.
Bishop, efu ka m nwa before, biko.
Why? Why did you yellow?
Bishop, I'm a news quackita.
Ijanyo, this girl.
No, sir. No, sir. I dem dry.
Otele. Dry.
Desert.
Genotype, okay?
AS.
Huh?
AS.
Blood group, okay?
O positive.
What number, okay?
081. In a day, 081 09 10 35 00.
Akweba na ihe aga aba n'ihu akwụkwọ dum m gaa n'iru.
Gaa n'iru, sir.